Hi friends, this video shows how to automatically change lock screen wallpaper. First let me lock this phone, unlock, again lock, unlock. See, lock screen wallpaper is not changing automatically. So I will show you how we can fix that issue. First we need to tap and hold anywhere on the screen. Tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Then tap on wallpaper and style. Tap here. Then tap on change wallpapers. Go down. Tap on wallpaper services. Here you can see two wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen, Samsung Global Goals. Let me check this dynamic lock screen. Select this first option, then tap on the settings icon. Here you can see categories. Up to 5 categories we can select. Let me select this landscapes category, tap here. Now it's downloading, please wait. As I said, up to 5 categories we can select. Okay, done. Wallpaper applied to lock screen. Then go back. See, now I have enabled dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Let me test. Let me lock the phone. Unlock. See, now lock screen wallpaper is changing automatically. See. Let me unlock. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to wallpaper services, then select none, then apply. So that way we can stop automatic lock screen wallpaper. Let me try. Lock the phone, unlock. See, now it's not changing. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.